Good morning.
Good morning.
On the matter of People versus Merritt, Mr. Merritt is not present. I believe he waived his presence for today's hearing. This was predominantly a hearing dealing with TSG's response to a subpoena DT by the People for some interviews that they had done. I understand that's going to be continued.
That's correct, Your Honor. I believe initially we had planned to go forward, and then Mr. McGee filed something as well under seal. So we are requesting some time to file an additional response. And I think that we've decided to set that over until April 11th.
We have the other two matters on the same day.
Oh, okay. Those relate to Mr. Beasley?
No, the ones relating to Google and Microsoft.
They filed their own motion to set it for 4/11 at 8:30.
Okay. And then we had a couple of motions with regard to Mr. Beasley's testimony. Are we doing that today, or?
No, we're still getting all the information. Mr. Beasley sent me a report this morning. I thought we already addressed Mr. Beasley's personnel file.
We did address that, but we have not yet received, we had filed an additional motion to exclude some of the testing and testimony of Mr. Beasley, and we still have not received all of the discovery yet, Your Honor.
Well, he emailed me the report this morning, which I still have to open because I haven't downloaded and stuff.
Okay.
First, so it's kind of hard to respond without knowing what his report is. I have the raw footage of what he did. I can put that on a thumb drive and return that to the People today. I expect to get everything from today, so it's kind of difficult to address anything without knowing the contents.
So maybe this Friday, the 5th?
We are actually, Sean and I are gone because we're coming back from Pittsburgh that day. We're going to the DNA lab out there, but I can see if Mr. Imes is available. I imagine he could be.
Friday the 5th is the following week.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah, this Friday is I'm sorry, I was just hoping we were already in April. So yeah, this Friday is still March, so it'd be March 29th.
As I informed Mr. Doherty yesterday when we were talking scheduling, there's no time frame I need to put Mr. Beasley up since he's local and we can work him around. We can probably do it, say maybe the morning of the 3rd, since we're dark with the jury that day. We're dark in the morning.
Oh, okay. All right, that's fine. So April 3rd for that?
Yes.
Okay.
And another issue is we have the jury here Wednesday afternoon and Thursday all day. Forming the court, we really don't have enough witnesses to cover that. We have only one, that's Michael McStay, and I don't think he'll be that long. The defense's request would be to just be dark this week, and we'll call Mr. McStay next week with all the other witnesses. We have everybody here scheduled. Because to be realistic, we bring the jury in to hear one witness, and that's it.
Okay.
Because we had Mr. Beasley available, slated for that, and the People wanted time to prepare on that.
Sure.
We agreed to that. We tried to get another witness. We did locate her, but she has a doctor's appointment on Thursday. She couldn't make it. She's available when we were another day we're gonna schedule her on time.
Okay, so we'll see if we can contact the jurors. And so we'll have the jurors come in Tuesday, April 2nd.
We're dark that day. We're dark the morning of the 3rd. We'd have them come back the afternoon of the 3rd. That's our next calendar date based on the calendar downstairs.
Okay.
I forget
So
why
we'll
we're
vote.
dark in a second.
I do think at some point we may need to address, because I think our jury is only time qualified through the end of April. And I think that this...
Actually, I think it was into mid-April.
We're going to obviously have some issues with respect to the time qualifications.
I don't I honestly don't think that's gonna be a big problem unless someone has a big vacation schedule. But I think everything else will work around. So,
I still think we'll be able to close by the end of April.
okay. So we'll notify the jurors to come in the afternoon of April 3rd.
Yes.
Well,
And we should be
I
able to.
thought we were dark PM on April 3rd.
Is it?
That's what I have on my notes.
You might be right, because I know we're only half day.
It
Right.
does say PM dark.
Okay.
Tuesday, the 2nd, it says PM dark, and Wednesday, the 3rd is PM dark.
We're dark all day the second. I know
Yeah,
that.
all day on the 2nd and PM on the 3rd.
So come in on the morning on the 3rd?
And then we can address the Beasley motion in the afternoon on the 3rd.
Okay. All right. Okay, very good. Court will order a transcript of these proceedings, copies to all sides. Okay?
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.